Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me yet, this is Giuseppe. I'm 47 years old and I have been following the keto lifestyle, not a diet, for 2 years and 2 months so far. And the channel you're watching is the channel of the Italian Keto guy. In my channel I have delight in turning traditional recipes into keto ones, just Italian ones for the moment, whenever it is possible. And today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious pizza flavored crackers. They are zero carbs, so no problem with macros, but let's jump straight away into the video recipe. So let's put into a recipient the first ingredient, 70 grams of flaxseed flour, golden flaxseed, 15 grams of oat fiber, some oregano, and that's it for the dry ingredients. Let's give a good stir, so to combine the ingredients well together, and they get rid of any lumps that could be formed. Now is the time to add the liquid one medium egg, the liquid ingredients, and 50 ml of tomato juice. Let's combine those ingredients again. At first the butter will result dry and sandy, but if you keep stirring, keep kneading, the dough, you will see that it will become compact and all in once. Okay, ready. Now it's still sticky, so you need two sheets of parchment paper, and with your fingertips you can try to begin to stretch the dough. Then with the rolling pin, be sure to make it thinly and evenly all along the surface. Do some holes with a fork to avoid that the dough will inflate too much in the oven, and then cut horizontally and vertically to make the crackers shape. 180 Celsius degrees for 10-15 minutes. Let's talk about carbs. You know, I don't count the macro in this keto, so just minus 0.5 grams out of 100 grams for the flaxseed flour. This is the tomato passata I used. The juice, as you can see, 5 grams out of 100. We used 50 ml, so 2.5 in the whole crackers. I can say that it's definitely zero carbs. Don't you think so? Really delicious. Can taste the tomato, of course, the oregano. They're really pizza flavored. They're easy to prepare, zero carbs. I mean, there is just the carbs from the passata, but that is neglectable, so to say. You can store them in a bag, in a sealed bag, in the cupboard, and freeze. Yes, I think you can freeze them, but to be sure, they're so delicious that I don't know if you're going to freeze them. If they are still soft when you take out of the oven, I suggest you to let them cool down completely and put them back for 5-10 minutes again, or you can use the grill function of the oven so that they are completely crispy, even though they already are like this. But if you want them more crispier, do it. Okay, that's it. Quick recipe. I don't have anything else to say. Comments, please comment below. I will reply. If you like the video, please subscribe. I would appreciate your support. Is really appreciated, and I'm very grateful for all your support you are giving me. I passed 5,000 followers and I'm aiming straight away to 10,000. It will take time, but with your support I will reach that threshold, so to say. Thanks again. See you in the next recipe. Bye.